On this episode of Across All Borders, Going Far and Beyond. A visit to Mona. Is it worth it? Museum of Old and New Art. I can tell you from my experience that a visit to Mona is definitely worth it. It's not just your regular museum visit. And it starts with the ferry ride from Hobart. You're taken in that amazing landscape on a sunny day pulling away from Hobart. You arrive at Mona and the surroundings outside greet you with a playful, friendly, mesmerizing environment where you can get live performances outside, music, something to eat, something to drink, and then you walk into this museum that shows you a world of different kind of arts, old and new as in the name, but also different styles, different eras. And it is so cool to just explore and go around, and they have a lovely audio guide which can tell you about the different artworks. I used it every now and again. I was just mesmerized by everything I saw, and after that I went outside and took in a bit more of the outer part of it, found a spot to relax before taking my ferry back to Hobart. Come along, let's enjoy this experience. Okay. And it is windy, but the sun's out today, so it's not a bad difference. Oh no, we're going backwards, are we? Okay, whatever. So it's turning around, so we're going to be at the back, not at the front, but that's okay. We can go at the side. This is where I was yesterday. This is where the Taste of Summer is. So that's part of it. And in that hole behind is a lot of food and something to drink and all of that.
Good afternoon everyone, welcome aboard the ML1 travel journey up to Mona. We'll get there in just over 20 minutes ish. We have life jackets on this boat. If we need to play, one of your amazing crew will hand those out for you and issue further instructions. Ask you to please take care moving around the boat, use the handrails wherever provided, please be careful of the stairs, as always. All the bars are open for business, hot drinks, cold drinks, hard drinks, soft drinks, everything in between. Beers, wine, soft drinks, ciders, ginger beers even. Please keep yummy tucker in that main bar downstairs, folks. Lunchtime wish for you. Head to that main crew. All of our food made daily here on site by our very talented onboard chefs. All of our food's amazing. The specials are incredible. Croissants are awesome. And a cupboard full of palate-pleasing pastries, folks. We'll have little mini sausage rolls, little mini quiches, all better than Grandma used to make. Or try a scallop pie if you haven't tried one of them yet while you're in Tassie. That's a thing to do.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
Hope you have a spectacular afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Both boats at Savo will be rather busy. If you do need to change your return time, please see the crew up at the ticket office. They can sort that out for you. 99 stairs to conquer here, folks, all part of the magic and mystery of Mona. We do encourage you to do those stairs. However,
there's the other boat. So we're gonna get off soon. Well, let me show you that. Oh, that bridge, one of the bridges. I'll put you away in a second. Oh, wow. Very nice view. Get up. Show you a bit of it before everyone gets off. Look at this. There's actually a bit you can eat. I don't know what upstairs looks like, but oh wow, this is really nice. Let's see, I'll just wait for people to get off. Ah, there's another side. I actually thought it was a mirror. It's not a mirror. It's the other side of it. Timing when we're supposed to do it. So I'm going to crawl as much as I can up the stairs. But in the meantime, let me show you around. Wow, Jesus Christ, look at the number of people waiting to get on the ferry. Like, it is a lot of people. And here we go, 99 steps. Why did they miss one? They've just done 100 steps. Why 99? I would have done 100 steps now. So I have to do one before. Okay, so let's see. Should we wait? Oh, wow. It's beautiful. My ticket is booked for 1. So we'll walk around a little bit before going in. It is beautiful. Wow. Can I ask you guys for a picture when you're done?
Of course.
Okay, so I'll come around. Ooh, I have 12. This definitely looks African. I don't know if it is, but it definitely looks African. Okay, so I am done with inside of the museum. I'm actually just doing remaining outside, and then I'm gonna find a nice spot and eat some of the stuff I brought and maybe get a drink at the cafe that is open. I don't know if this restaurant is open. It doesn't look like it's open. And then I'll walk around a bit more and then take the ferry at 6. I guess I can take an earlier one if I wanted, but there's no need for that. We'll see if I want to take an earlier one or not. But I think I will look around. Ooh, look at that. So, lights in favor from this way. Uh-oh. That's the danger of doing this, right? Oh wow, it is so gorgeous. It is gorgeous. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so I am gonna set this down somewhere, and absolutely gorgeous. So look at there. Wow. What can you see from there? Is that where you board from? I don't know what this is. Ooh. Okay, what are we seeing? Oh my god. Oh, that's the restaurant. So it is open, I guess. Oh my god, it's coming out. Gotta be careful. I should drop my bags and just have a nice one here. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is wicked. That is wicked. Like, can you see it? Oh Lord. Okay, so when the sun shines, oh, let's do that. Oh Lord. I'm loving it. Okay, we're gonna do a 360 that way. So I have finished my tour of inside the museum, and I am walking around outside. From this window you get an amazing view, or from this dome top you get an amazing view of the restaurant. I'm going to walk around a bit and then just go find a spot to sit down and eat something. There's some grapes over there. I will take you there, so let's go check that out. So just showing you the rest of it before I go chill before my ferry. I've changed the departure time of the ferry. It's an amazing piece of artwork.
And if you're asking yourself, is this something I can do as a solo traveler? Definitely. It affords you the opportunity of meeting like-minded people. I met 2 sisters whom I went with for dinner and drinks, and it was just a pleasant experience, something I got off my visit from Mona.
So that's the Mona in the back. And there's so many seagulls here. I'm about to fall asleep. This is nice. The music is good. Bands until 4:30. I might change my ferry, but I'm wondering what's on my itinerary. So let's check what else there is to do in Hobart. Oh, wasn't there? There was some restaurant with a view, as far as I remember. I hope nothing gets being from somewhere there. Oh, it's nicer. I'm in the shade.
I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.